In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 24V belt sander. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the belt sander out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Attaching the dust collection bag. To attach the dust bag, slide the bag retainer over the exhaust port until secure. For best performance, empty the dust bag frequently, especially during heavy sanding, and always empty it completely before storage. Step 4. Installing a belt. To install a sanding belt, raise the tension release lever. Remove the old belt if installed, and slide the new belt into position. If you're using a directional belt, make sure the arrow inside the belt matches the direction of rotation. Once aligned, lower the tension release lever to secure the belt. Step 5. Aligning the sanding belt. Hold the sander securely and start the motor to see which way the belt drifts. Adjust your belt sander tracking by turning the knob while the tool is running, aiming to keep the belt centered on the rollers. If the belt drifts right, turn the knob clockwise to move it back to the left. If the belt drifts left, turn the knob counterclockwise. Step 6. Installing and removing the battery. To install the battery, align the tongue on the battery with the groove in the housing and slide it in until it clicks into place. To remove the battery, press the release button on the front of the battery and slide it out of the tool. Step 7. Starting and stopping the unit. To turn the sander on, insert the battery, then press and hold the switch trigger. To turn the sander off, simply release the switch trigger. Step 8. Using the lock-on feature. The lock-on feature allows you to run the sander continuously without holding the trigger, which is helpful during extended sanding tasks. To activate the lock-on feature, press and hold the switch trigger, then press the lock-on button. To disengage the lock, press and release the switch trigger. Step 9. Adjusting the front handle. To adjust the front handle, remove the battery, press the handle release button, and rotate the handle to one of the 5 available positions. Release the button to lock the handle securely in place. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.